Desire oyo, when she was working, in fact, when she was in her VAC, senior for VAC, long time ago. I think I feared because of these girls. I knew Desire when she had nothing. She was zero. I even used to sponsor her again. This is between me and you. You just need to get the story. Kubanga, I looked after her so well. I even know the day I made her pregnant. It was 28th February 2003. And she gave birth on 1st December 2003. Even when she was pregnant, I was taking care of her. When she gave birth, even Mayo Clinic, Bumbo Road, whenever she was, you can even ask Dr. Kasiria. She will call me, you go there, you give her 1 million, 2 million shillings, even when whenever she would go abroad, I'm in Dubai, I'm taking your daughter. I'm taking your daughter out. You need money, and I would give. I remember there's a time when I was at CPS. I was in a meeting. Najja mu CPS Central Police Station in Kampala. Nangamba mwana mulwadde. Njagala sente ng'aje ngamuwa sente. You know my nature of work. I'm a very busy person. Now time came, yatenye mukazi wange. Bamugamba that my wife is very dangerous. Ate mukazi wange talina ttabu. Even if you ask the Segwe Nogenda, Mama Afsa knew about my relationship with her. Gachari Bokoto Street, Desire would come up to my home park by the roadside, and then I go and be with her. Then home, I park in the parking lot. She comes, we talk. And even when she had a show at Sheraton, Serena.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you remember that show which I had.
Last year about 2022 or 23.
Yeah, it was 20 when Sabagala was still even alive. I think Sabagala supported her. And Sabagala was my friend, very good friend of mine. And then he came and loved her. You get. And me back, Kirumira came to me and picked me from Nangaba Seiko, Soko J. He was going for a short call. Nangaba Seiko. There is my mwana ngakufanana. You have to you call him because in never all of Angie. I have many big daughters. I don't cry for children, but it is hurting me. Desire knows that the kid is mine. Pistol. There's a time when I appeared in the paper so much, and I feared for my children. I said, no, I should not be in the press. Remember Desire. Let's go and do a DNA. Even Sheila said, Seko, go DNA to Malaysia Chinchino. No problem. So for us, me and Desire went to Namagunga to pick the girl. For me, I remained with her lawyer, waiting for her. We waited, then she called her lawyer and told the head teacher, Aganye to release what? The girl because that Aganye to play duty. Sheila came and told me, Seiko, since Desire Tagada, DNA, and with the single Aganye, it is not possible, the girl cannot come out. Then I told her, why did she tell us yesterday that the girl was going to be released today? Now, for me, I use the other means which she doesn't know. I managed to get the hair in Vili. And that story is long. That kid is mine.
Wamujjako oluviri walufuna otya?